What's up, guys? Hey, today we're going to do another video at a cemetery. It's going to be during the day this time, but yeah, we may get rained on. See out there, I don't know if you can see it because of my dirty windows. We got all that, yeah, nasty looking weather, unfortunately. But hopefully it doesn't rain. It doesn't rain, but you know, if it does, then we'll just shoot back to the car so the kids don't get wet. The weather's been really off and on with the rain and stuff, and it's really frustrating. But no, I was meant to do this this video yesterday, but the rain was just on and off, and it wasn't light rain; it was actually quite heavy. How was that? I don't think that's thunder. I think that might be the train. But yeah, so we'll catch you in a couple of minutes down at the cemetery. Woohoo! Banging around. Yeah. Now that is awesome. How cool is that? Let's do a video where it's thunder and lightning. Awesome. So we're going to have a look around and see if we can find the oldest grave. It is staying a spit by the feels of it. Who was this? Oh, it's not just one person. This is a big memorial one here. But I'm not sure what it's a memorial for. Like, what significance they are. Oh, hold on. Remembering all our babies who live on in our memories. Oh, okay. So this is a plot here for babies that have passed away. Yeah, it's not just like the one family. It's like a whole bunch of families. Man, that storm is a brewing. Sounds awesome. It's been a long time since I've actually seen a good storm. This is a weird sounding storm, to be honest. It's not exactly a rumble. There, that's where all that noise is coming from. There's a lot of family plots out here. Now I can't remember the name of that teacher, which kind of annoys me actually, because oh, look at this one. This one is severely damaged. Weather damage over time. It looks really crappy, unfortunately. .43 is our oldest one I can find. Wow, that storm is awesome. People say that I'm weird for liking storms, but this is awesome. Brittany never used to like it. until I came around, and now she doesn't mind it so much. Hey! Let's stay in the rain! I'm gonna get soaked. Try, I'll have a nice warm bath when I'm home. Hey! Wait for the bang. Wait it. There it is. That was cool. Bang! Excuse me. You can actually hear the rain coming. Fuck it, I gotta go. Oh shit, it's hail. Fuck this. Ah shit. Holy shit! No, God. Oh, that hail was actually kind of sore. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I just realised that my light is on. Oh, there we go. Flick of lightning. Wait for the bang. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Ooh, shaking the car too.
It's so much better at home.
Ooh, don't need the light. Oh. Alright, well that's kind of annoying. Hail just came out of nowhere. Had to sprint back to the car. Holy shit. Oh, I haven't sprinted like that in a while. Oh, now the rain's like stopping again. What do you think? Should I go back out there and have another keep going?
I think you should.
Alright, well the rain's kind of stopped anyway. Stopping. So let's go back out and have another quick squiz. Alright, thought I'll come back out now. The rain's kind of drizzled off. But you still see the hail on the ground. Still 1910. This guy's name's Archie. There you go, bro. Did you know you're dead? Like I said in my first video when doing this stuff, I'm not here to desecrate any graves. I'm not that kind of a person. Just here for a bit of, I don't know, a bit of history mixed with exploration. Oh, this one is a soldier. Royal Artillery. Died at the age of 66, so he managed to live past the war. Here's another army one. New Zealand Army Services Corps. Lieutenant Colonel. No, Colonel? Yeah, Colonel. I think. See, I don't know what CPL stands for. Oh, might be Lance Corporal. Lance Corporal, that sounds about right actually, sorry. Probably hear the rain or probably see it on the video. It's starting to get heavy. Might cool it soon. It's because it's starting to get too wet. Still hear the thunder in the background there. Okay, some of these drops aren't exactly rain, they're small hailstones as well. I can see it bouncing on the grass. Here is the oldest grave so far, 1908. Oh man, my hand is cold. Oh, got a numb hand. That's how cold it is. My hand is gone. Look at that. That's from holding the phone. Oh. Alright, I'm going to end up making this a two-parter in the end because of the fact this weather is just turned to crap.
Look at all that. That's all hail. Like, it's insane. The little bit that we got in town, the tiny little bit that we're just pulling over to cross over, but the tiny little bit that we got in town, we passed like huge amounts out these ways. And I mean, as you can see, it's like blue sky and stuff, but we've also got that storm front coming our way as well. It is going to be amazing.
It's not
And that's
hail, eh?
no, it wasn't. It was about the size of a New Zealand 10-cent piece. If you've ever seen one of those.
Tell you what, I'll put a picture up.
Yeah, we'll put a picture up for size and show you what a 10-cent piece looks like if you've never seen one.
And if we have one.
Yeah, and if we have one. But yeah, that's the storm system that's coming our way, and that is nothing compared to what poor Omar is going through.
I'll pull over here for a sec. That's insane, eh?
That is an insane storm system. But I cannot wait for the thunder and lightning that comes off that.
There's going to be quite a bit of it too because it's
that,
not a small system.
No, that is quite big.
You'll hear it in my video.
Yeah, you'll hear it in Brian's video.
This video will be included in my videos, but yeah, you'll see me running from.
Yeah, as you can tell, we live out in the country, but we're not going to give you the actual address and stuff like that because that's just not cool.
Too many idiots.
Yeah, too many idiots.
Push.
Passing it over to Brian.
Look. Alright, rewind in the window so you don't need to see the crap that's on the window. Look at that. That's what we just came out of. And I think, no, that's actually coming towards us.
That's coming towards us.
Actually, both systems are coming towards us. That's actually quite interesting.
Yeah, it's one large frontal system.
Alright.
Here, look, I'll hop out of the car and I'll show you.
Okay.
And he parked in a puddle. Thanks. No, you're right. Like, just working my way through the puddle. But we've got the storm system over there. I can barely see the camera. We've got the storm system over there and it travels all the way right around to there. So we've got a big storm coming our way and it's going to be absolutely amazing. We'll video and all that kind of stuff so you guys can see it. It'll probably be from the safety of inside our house, but yeah, we'll video it. But yeah, we'll talk soon and see ya.
Alright, we just got back and yeah, here's the rain again. Quite heavily too. I haven't seen any more hail, thank God for that, but yeah, you know, it's a real nuisance actually, because I wanted to get that cemetery all in one go, but tomorrow we'll see what we can do. We might be able to go back for the second part. That wind's starting to pick up. Yeah, that wind's starting to pick up. He should go inside. Yeah, all our thoughts go out to everybody in the Caribbean islands, Cuba, and especially Florida, that's going to get a direct hit with that Hurricane Irma. Yeah, man, that's actually quite strong. I'm standing over here where there's no wind. Huh? But yeah, you can't see it fully on the screen, but yeah, you can hear it on the roof. It's passing down. You know, it's really coming down hard. So we're gonna end the video here. Yeah, so you can see. Hopefully this is on me. So yeah, have a good day. Keep an eye out for part 2. There should be sometime tomorrow, weather permitting. And yeah, live life large. Have a good one. Peace.